Imagine rolling down the highway in something that feels familiar, dependable, and seriously leveled up for 2026. What if I told you the classic van we all grew up seeing just got a glow up so clean it could make a brand new RV blush? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Saint Reviews Hub, and today we're diving straight into the 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome, a rig that takes old school American toughness and throws in a whole bunch of modern flavor. So buckle up, because this thing is about to surprise you way more than you think. Kicking things off with the exterior, the 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome carries that bold, squared-up stance the Savana has always been known for, but this time, GMC sprinkled in a touch of luxury and a whole lot of attitude. Up front, you've got a redesigned grille that's bigger, beefier, and honestly kinda flexing on other Class B rigs. The LED headlights look sharp, almost like they're squinting at you with that "let's hit the road already" energy. The body lines are sleeker now, giving it a cleaner, more purposeful look instead of that old cargo van vibe older models had. And with the extended wheelbase and taller roof option, this thing looks ready for legit cross-country adventures instead of just a weekend grocery run. Swing around the back and the vibe stays the same: clean, modern, and functional. You've got full LED tail lamps, a low step in height, and optional dual rear doors that open full 270 degrees, so loading gear is stupid easy. Roof-mounted solar panels sit up top, blending into the silhouette like they belong there because they do. This whole exterior screams practicality with a little swagger mixed in. Now let's slide inside, because this interior is where the Savana Motorhome really hits different. GMC went all in on creating a cabin that feels way more premium than what you'd expect from something wearing the Savana badge. The cockpit is super comfortable, with plush captain's chairs, improved lumbar support, and a steering wheel that finally looks like it belongs in 2026 instead of 2006. The infotainment is fully updated with a big touchscreen Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, the whole 9 yards, and the visibility, crazy good. You sit high, the windshield is wide, and everything just feels right at your fingertips. Moving into the living area, you instantly notice how roomy it feels. GMC really optimized every inch in here. The lounge space has a convertible sofa that doubles as a work or dining area during the day, and at night it folds into a bed big enough for 2 adults without feeling cramped. The materials feel way more upscale than before: soft touch panels, LED ambient lighting that sets the mood, and storage everywhere you look. It's like they finally understood that people actually live in these rigs and need space for more than 3 shirts and a toothbrush. The kitchen area is compact but surprisingly complete. You get a 2-burner induction cooktop, a stainless steel sink with a high-arc faucet, solid surface countertops, and a legit fridge that doesn't feel like a lunchbox. There's plenty of cabinetry overhead and below, and everything feels tight and well built. Nothing rattly, nothing cheap. And with both 12-volt and 110-volt outlets tucked in all the right places, the setup is super user-friendly whether you're powered up at a campground or off the grid. The bathroom follows the same modern, efficient approach. It's a wet bath with a solid waterproof finish, a decent-sized mirror, LED lights bright enough to get ready in, and a showerhead with good pressure. It's not luxury hotel-sized, but for a Class B rig, it's honestly solid. Everything feels clean and private, not cramped like some other vans in this class. Then the bedroom area, simple but comfy. It's a rear bed layout that folds electronic style with a button, and the mattress is actually pretty cozy. You get USB ports, reading lamps, cabinets, and some small shelves for phones or snacks. It's the kind of spot where you can wind down after a long drive and feel at home real quick. Now let's talk performance, because the Savana still brings that classic GMC muscle. Under the hood, the 2026 model is running a 6.6-liter V8 engine that pumps out strong torque and plenty of power for highway cruising, mountain climbs, and towing. It's not trying to be fancy or super futuristic, it's old-school American grit with modern upgrades. The transmission is smooth, the steering feels more refined than past years, and the ride quality is way better thanks to updated suspension tuning that keeps things planted even with a full load. Fuel economy isn't where this rig shines. It's a big V8 pushing a motorhome, so expect decent but not mind-blowing numbers. but what you do get is reliability. This thing will take a beating and keep rolling, no questions asked. And with the optional all-wheel drive system, the Savana becomes straight-up capable on muddy trails, snowy highways, or gravel pull-offs with no drama at all. As for price, the 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome lands around the mid-$110,000 to $140,000 range, depending on the floor plan and options you stack on. For a Class B from a trusted American brand with a proven powertrain, that's actually a pretty fair deal. You're not paying luxury RV money, but you're getting a rig that's durable, functional, and ready for legit adventures without emptying your entire bank account. At the end of the day, the 2026 GMC Savana Motorhome is like that old friend who hit the gym, cleaned up, and came back looking fresh. It's familiar, dependable, tough, and now surprisingly stylish if you're looking for a no-nonsense American motorhome that's built to last. Easy to drive and packed with just the right amount of modern features, this thing deserves a serious look.